This is test number 2 of the DIY sluice box. So this one we tried to make it out of PVC ceiling board. So here you can see the flow gradient going down, and that should create the undercurrent here and allowing the product back out. So if you look at that, you've got your gradient there. That will allow the product to go through. So basically what we did here is the entire sluice box is 50 centimeters, and we've just used 2 side pieces to create the main structure, and then we've got the back structure here as support, and then at the front just got a little bit of support there as well. And instead of going for a round look like we previously did, we just went for a square to see which one actually performs better. And you can see that area there is where it's going to allow the undercurrent to flow through, flow down, and hopefully this will allow it to separate the product from heavy and light materials for potential gold mining.